Hi, welcome to moneyboxforme.com. To earn great returns in the stock markets, you need to find the right stock, know its right price, and then buy and sell it at the right time. But all this is easier said than done. To do this, we usually opt for the easy way out and act on hot tips or leave it to the so-called experts. But rarely does this help us. What you need is a more robust yet simple method to ensure that your hard-earned money is protected and generates long-term wealth for you through stock investing. In this video, you will learn how you can invest in stocks safely, quickly and easily by using two very powerful tools offered by moneyboxforme.com, which are first, the Moneybox filter, which helps you find the best stocks at discount prices at the click of a mouse, and second, Decision Maker, which helps you get the right investment decision on any stock instantly. So let's see how these tools work. This is the homepage of our site Moneybox. Once you log in as a paid user, you get access to these two tools. So let's just log in and check out these tools. So these are the two tools, the Moneybox filter and the Decision Maker. You can scroll your mouse over any one of them to start. Let's start with the Moneybox filter, which helps you find the best stocks at discount prices in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to select the universe of companies from which we want to filter stocks. The default selection here is all companies. The next step is to select the fundamental strength of the companies. Here the default setting is green or very good, which indicates fundamentally sound companies. And the last step is to select the discount range from MRP at which the company should be quoting at given the market scenario. The MRP of the company is the real worth of the stock based on fundamental valuations. Here, the default selection is 25 to 50% discount below MRP. Now, on clicking search, you will get all green companies which are currently quoting at a 25 to 50% discount to the MRP. So let's just click search and see what is the list of companies that we get. So this is the list of companies which match our criteria, and all this in just a click. This list, as you can see, includes companies like Infosys, BHEL, Grasim Industries, Cadila Healthcare, etc. What I showed you was the default selection criteria we have set. However, you can select different options based on your preference. Say if the market is bearish, you can look for companies at a 50% discount to the MRP. Or if you want to take slightly higher risk, you can select orange companies in addition to green companies. Do check out this tool and try out the different options to understand it further. So now that you have a list of companies which match your criteria, you can click on any name to check it further and arrive at your investment decision through the second tool, which is the Moneybox Decision Maker. So I'll just click on Infosys Limited to check its Decision Maker. The Decision Maker instantly answers the 3 most important questions for a company, which are: first, is it the right stock? Second, is it available at the right price? And third, is it the right time to buy the stock? It thus helps you make an instant decision about the stock without compromising on any elements of quality and rigor of analysis. Let's check out the Decision Maker of Infosys. The first step gives an evaluation of the company's historical performance through the 10-year X-ray and an analysis of its long-term future prospects through a color code rating. Here, ideally both color codes should be green, which is the case for Infosys. You can also move to the orange companies if you are willing to take on slightly higher risk, but remember, avoid red companies. In the second step, the Decision Maker gives you an idea of the current market price of the stock with respect to the MRP and the discount price through a simple slider. The MRP of the company is the real worth of the stock based on fundamental valuations, while discount price is a safe buy price factoring in a margin of safety to the MRP. For Infosys, the current market price is below the discount price, which means it is in the buy zone currently. If the price goes above the MRP, the stock will be in the sell zone. And if the current price stays between the discount price and the MRP, the stock will be in the hold zone. So now we know that Infosys is the right stock and is available at the right price. But is it the right time to buy it? You can get the answer to this through the third step, our easy to understand timing chart, which gives you 6 simple signals based on the valuation and the technical trend of the stock. These signals are given considering where the stock's current price is with respect to the MRP and discount price, and whether the stock is in a technical uptrend or downtrend. The 6 easy to understand signals are strong buy, consider sell, strong sell, wait, and C chart. For Infosys, the signal is wait, which means technicals haven't generated a buy signal yet and you can wait for some time. Let's check the timing chart of Infosys to understand this better. As you can see, the stock price of Infosys has moved below the discount price, which means the stock is in the buy zone. However, technicals haven't generated a buy signal yet, so you should wait before you take further action. Thus, the decision maker is a simple tool that will help you get the right stock, the right price, and the right time instantly. What's more is that it is supported by rigorous and in-depth analysis. If you wish to check this, you can click the different elements. For example, the 10-year X-ray, which helps you understand how the financial performance of the company has been in an easy to understand color-coded format. So this is the 10-year X-ray of Infosys, and as you can see it is largely green, and that is why the company has been rated as green as far as the 10-year X-ray is concerned. You can also read the Company Pulse report, which gives you a detailed analysis of the company's business model, its historical performance, and its future prospects. So these were the two powerful tools which provide you with a very effective and rigorous method and help you invest in stocks safely and quickly. And above all, they are really easy to use and understand. Stock investing doesn't get simpler than this. So do check them out. Remember, these tools are available only to paid subscribers, so do make sure you subscribe to our services to get access to them. And if you are already a paid subscriber, log on to moneyworksforme.com to start using these tools.